Guys, so today's video is going to be just an eye tutorial. So the first product we're going in with is an Urban Decay single eyeshadow in Blackout. And I took this angled brush from Sephora and I'm just mapping out my crease. So I kind of messed up a little bit at the end of my eye. I kind of predicted that my crease was going to be a little bit lower than what it naturally was, but it was okay. Because when it came time to cleaning up with concealer, it looked like I never even made that mistake. Next, I'm taking the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking that dark brown with the pencil brush from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to buff out that black. Next, we're taking this reddish brown shade, and I'm going to take a dome brush and very harshly apply it to the crease. Don't worry about blending it. We're going to go in with the lighter color as your transition and a fluffier brush after this. I'm going to blend the edges. Now we're going to take this light warm brown shade and this small fluffy brush from Morphe, and I'm going to buff out that red. I went back in with the black from Urban Decay and the same angled brush, and I'm just re-intensifying that black line. Now this is where we can clean up any mistakes that we did the end of the eye. So I'm going in very, very carefully and I'm mapping out the crease even more. But as you guys can see, as I get to the corner of my eye, I'm just slowly erasing that little mistake that I did. To set it really quickly, I'm taking the Bare Minerals Mineral Powder in Original and I'm just taking this fluffy brush and passing it all over. Now all I'm going to do is repeat the same steps to the other eye and voila, you're done. For the star of the show, I'm taking Dose of Colors Loose Pigment in Disco. And first I'm going to put some Shadow Insurance from Too Faced as my base. And I'm going to apply it with this flat synthetic brush, the same brush that we used to carve out the crease. But you guys, this pigment is absolutely amazing on its own. It does come with a gel that you're supposed to put down first and then put that on top. But I find that that gel is a little funky when I'm trying to use it. So that's why I use the Shadow Insurance first and then I put this on top. Now to finish up the look, I did apply eyeliner off camera, and now all I'm doing is just cleaning up my face because that is a loose pigment and went all over my face. Next, I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the Benefit Bang. And again, for another star of the look, I'm taking my Lilly lashes in the style Mykonos. I did my entire face off camera, and now for lips, I'm going in with Kat Von D lip liner in Homegirl. And lastly, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Famous. And that pretty much completes my look. If you enjoyed this quick eye tutorial and you like the kind of look that I did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up on your way out. I know I pretty much say this in all of my videos, but I promise guys, it does make a difference. Comment if you can or if you want, and I will see you guys in my next one. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!